so. Sorry, and Jay, I'm some crano. My baby morning devotion be. I that's it. One away go.
No me was here be. No matter say friend say Jimmy fu bi say ye adeda da na ye shada kra abono ye friend say tape yes I da kra ye ne life bi na me say na me frame my parts na microphone sing the voice and na ye Wednesday and na kra ye and na ye Wednesday me ye sure say and na ye on the 13th on the and na 13th
Everybody shrawa. Makamfu wa omu hudi omunye. Na ni everybody yamme mama part. Oya mami wa mabra kuno. Akamfu drink wa omu nsiasiye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ana ni yeni babia. The way Yakupon was shrame. Not ye Yakupon ayemeno. Love wa Yakupon di me true this time. I am not ready to say about the shamachi for Nipabia. And then useless baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Americana me too and me comedy mono. And your friend I remember so much. I bet any useless baby did that one your much.
Amen.
And you know, said you probably one of whom in the pedria. Now you're one shot. No more woman say. No one near or Yama near. They catch on when I know pass you over use and a Yamame.
Yeah.
Now one more look at Cassans and for said, I had said no, I only say what Braquan Yano Coreno. And you better have a no more about the Casa Fecra as my party.
Yes. Yes.
Because I own your own cabin.
Oh, I want to copy.
Yami and for me, Bassa, see to say. Memra me cum as soon. It's a moon takes ya. Me bottom.
Yeah.
As soon as you pour your sermons. It is a mini moon takes ya. Me bottom. Also, because you are the J. Lack of marriage by the poor parish.
Yes.
Yan say when they say yan son or munibi. Because opinion in the air coso and would view.
Yeah.
By this time, Okurampono, Senka, Omu Yenipo Munim Yansan, Omu Babon Singer, Omu Beka somewhat a tossum, and somewhat a Bema Mama Pat Akuma, a buffum. Now it's in Yama as you create Abba, I'm a nipabi. But Omu Nimu Yansan. Na Radimu Yansa, a poor woman, a Radimu, dear, a poor woman, you know. Omo Babontin Bia and Yama Fu, I be provoke Nipa. Ama will be and social work common, what sounds of it. And then Omo Babontin, Omo Babeka. Nasa we Nipa. Now the set people, anyway, here, they be a maniamu now.
No crack.
Can you imagine, say, military Ghana or Babesia Mada? 9 to 10 o'clock, man, sorry. Now yet, Simeon, and Nipa the Seni, a poor and Nipa Mutani Wundi. I mean, not supposed to be say, Yatseno, any I say, and so what? Made them, Yatseme. Now you be granos here, Chubia, and no body belly. What must say?
Matthias here.
And I look at the face, and your moon came and papa. And I want to say. Why you mean you pack a share? No one told you would you come so. No man in the favor, and I can see a woman so. No man damn, I do to me. Yet sitting in the public na Facebook say, Yatsemi, I want to perform.
What that?
When I hear so kind, what is a radish shower? And you want to cry. Near the baby, I want to say. And to be dead. One more social media, no two foot when you say a old video, you want and men are
Casano. Obia actually, or to make us our friend is saying police cells.
Make us our police. And Mammy, come on, your munch house, the police cells, what you
Aha. Yo. Ochen president, Ochen president.
I to the mommy enjoy me no money kakra.
Oh.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is that?
Me and that gospel no crampo no, my feeling gospel no too. Aha! Yes! 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 A bulls again. Oh! God is good all the time. They are bleeding ampa. Kunin, yes, only your time for baye. Yes, oh why, yes, oh why, yes, only your time for baye. No, patrol my enya dia no pa. Nyame nhyira, nyame nhyira. Oh! It's slow white, it's slow white, it's slow your time for baby. Nancy, yes, to Kunimo. It's slow your time for baby. Yeah. Mama Patsy, that's it, pa. Nyame nhyira. It's slow your time for baby. It's slow white, it's slow white, it's slow. Yo, Mama Pat, me that's it, pa. Bye. I didn't see Mama Pat, or Quacoya de Ejuma, or Quacoya ni rounds, or Quacoya de Ejuma, or Quack. The offense is any day-to-day activities. In classic 4, Mammy get compared to maybe na ade achi ankrofo eye adwuma no. Oti ho so what kind of evil woman are you? And na asumdwe a abeto social media so ye nua ankrofo asoma adwo omo ko ka eto etwa wo social media so ingege se ono ompa asumdwe o ingege se ono de ompa asumdwe. How many times no we say about live video? Amankrado omba live video bio. Memba live video bio. Your friend is of Mame Pep Donko ono de omba live for crab bio. Yenya asumdwe bi wo social media no so a ye pese sa asumdwe na abeto social media no so no. Anka this is the time ye be ye niema papa. This is the time you be use social media no edia bo man Ghana edia something profitable. Ingege dia say asumdwe na beto social media no so no ko ki ko ka ko si ko to no ono dia ompe still obekoso aye ne bodam niema no wo social media no so. Mama Pat na be kasa no. Mama Pat ono na be kasa no. Insafuafo a monso makofa ingege false video dia betumu no. You are bringing your reputation down. You people Musa insafuafo ne mo a mokeka ho na muti nsema mu nya ye friend saying investigation mu nhwehwehwehwe mu. You are bringing your reputation down. Mo platform no. Mo disgracing mo platform no. Insafwa, mo disgracing mo platform no. Ye hu nkrofo bebre with bigger platform abetwe mo. Adenti na ene sa nkrofo ni na ye nti omo nke biom because of false your friend is saying misinformation na omo di magana fo nti na nkrofo nti omo biom no. Inti obi bia wo tie mi enne se wo te se nti no insafwa ana se ada your friend is saying bloggers be and I say media phobia and the information be a kotu omu page so sister one kasa kohwehwehwehwe mu ne hu no kra wo mu ansana wagye di san crofoni nyina no omo te say your friend is saying illiterate omo te say maami ngege they are misleading people. They are misleading people. Because of YouTube, sika omo pa agye dinti no. Omo te nsem bia, omo nkohwehwehwe mu, no matam say e dey akoto omo platform so. Video ya me ma ye ya, mama part kasa no. Omo mbefa no kre na no kre video we bo no. Omo mbefa enkoto omo platform so. Omo mbefa enkoto omo platform so. Educate Ghana fo ina sent no. Asam na ngege beka ye no. No kre bi enim na no kre no na ewa ha no. Me de bia meka sent no. Ki bia wo de beba. Wo be twa ntro, me ba bete wo to. Ye no kre na ye di eti. Okay, bia wo de bebe bia no. Ye be bie ye we ano safoa. Wo be twa ntro e di mfutuo be gu Ghana fo eni so a. Ye beba be bie e de nokra ni na beto abontin na wani ewu. Ngege sambe head damage control bi say na meti ho na me ye friend say live video. Beka say live video we na me ye no. Eye old video and na friend say ya sign repeat it. Illiterate woman like you, oh sorry, ana nkrofo nso etie wo. Udi infutro to Ghana for any so sa intrasifo na omudi wechi na omani mbie ye no. Almost so o ka asem bia kekepe no mo afa no World Cup. Asem bia obeke bia no mo afa no World Cup. Mumbeka say mama part na mnene kasa ye no eno nso ye video ya recorded ya to ho de dada e na mabebo mumbeka ngege bra ne beka sa asem no bra ne beka sa asem no adenti na jimie no adoso sa jimie no adoso too much ye hear sanity and a sanity na ba wo social media no so de bia nkrofo kasa ent no yenja intokwa no se tobo intokwa na ekoso wo social media no so no 80% and I say 90% etu etwa e wo social media no so mama part na kan ye o say baby aju sa tobo woni twase atam ne daben no se etu etwa e wo social media no so ngege wo se woni asem bia obeke bio samba ye live video na be ya uncrass niema ni biom se o kasampa obi entie wo koso na boost to page no ene one boost to anka sa 1k no anka unya ena ne pakwa so a se police fuo se journalist fuo ena all mamo ingege false your friend is saying news o chantro dia mamo e dia jisika wo momo ha ene ngege ene sika de bo betua pa se e friend is saying fake fuo bi journalist fuo bi obi a o chantro mamo obi a o chantro amamu bia na odi jisika e wo mo ho no ene mombo modin asent no musika no mu betuatua saa afiansana de ache mama part afiansana wa sorry me so afiansana ma sorry se mu ehu me wonye ma bebreye ya kwa akoto aso mama part ye din kuni yensuro ni otamfo beye ensuro ni otamfo beye ye din kuni yensuro ni otamfo beye ensuro ni otamfo beye am I wehin we di am I me say by this time am I adam by this time wada me fredo crab is an sense ni nua krase ni we am I kofa ababa ayo we wen abobo ya am I fa me fra my so be fa po by this time on sorry am I wafa bra penyi me life for facha me we dem an can't no
mami me baby na me fro
yo amai so ni ejuma dia ahomachen obefra amai o se ejuma mu anopa obefra amai o we ejuma mu ewia obefra aman owo edwuma mu enwumre obefra aman owo edwuma mu ni papa no se ope edwuma sa no Erade Nyankopon from Monday to Sunday they be aman ye edwuma Monday to Sunday they be aman ye edwuma asembe nkreni aman ne asa ope busie bi bomi o Yedin kunim yenso ni otanfo beye enso ba enso wai enso ni otanfo beye Yedin kunim enso ni otanfo beye enso wai enso ni otanfo beye Erade enyum na etoso se o minyanka minyasa enyum na nka me bo na no pawe Oh, Mama Pat, ama nyum na beto makoma so. Meto nyum no sa. Why na boss ha nyum no krampa mcho. Mo type mama why na boss ha nyum no. If say nyum we na beto makoma so no, the whole day meto nyum no sa. Mpa mcho why na boss ha nyum no. Mpa mcho mo nchro mama na membo. Mo nchro mama na membo. Mo nchro mama na membo nyum no. Membo sa nyum we, membo. Yedin kunim yenso ni otanfo beye enso why enso ni otanfo beye Erade Nyankopon me nkọ hwehwe enyum no me dem pesco Esther Smith mama me nkọ hwehwe enyum no atoma akoma so sesia mama party ekumi o ni Esther Smith enyum we Esther Smith Cement. Esther Smith song say enenie. Yedin kunim yenso niot mpamoto na enyum no title ne yeden enyum no title ne yeden me pe enyum no title no me pe enyum no title na Esther Smith me hu title no Esther Smith yedin kunim mamenhwe Esther Smith yedin kunim yenso niot amfo beye yedi inkunim Yedi inku mpamcho mama me title no Esther Smith no mehu yedi inku ni Esther Smith mama title no ensuro enini mehu medamo ase me connected to Bluetooth Ade. Enso ni otanfo beye. Enso why? Enso ni otanfo beye. Ni oti ye mu. Enso why? Enso ni otanfo beye. Nancy yasote yedi kunimo. Enso why? Enso ni otanfo beye. Enso why? Enso ni otanfo beye. fan twerking. Mami fan twerking. They are bleeding. They are bleeding. Ngege is bleeding. Oh, Ngege is bleeding. Me dey twerking. It's so white, it's so white, it's so near time for me, yeah. It's so white, it's so white, it's so near time for me, yeah. It's so white, it's so white, it's so near time for me, yeah. Yes, say, what Diane say, Obekoso, Ayape, ewe radienim, Nakoso, a bompaye. Yes, be you way free mo. Ensro, mean born way. Oh, Mama pass me that's it. It's slow white, it's slow white, it's on your time for me, yeah. It's slow white, it's slow white, it's slow, it's slow white, yeah, it's on your time for me, yeah. It's slow, it's slow white, yeah. Inti, enu na meka ye no, say inti no pa mo chow. In Safwa Media, or say, in Safwa Media, Pamacho. Muti somebody be to why fake. If he said, dear ne, ingegia yellow crampo no mafa, ediakoto or mu page no sono. It tells you all, and I say 80%, 70%, maybe 50% of informations are got to a page no so they don't go through, they don't find out the truth in it and somebody abeto bua emma ye publicate false news, false evidence e won crofo fake news in kwana ekoso ewo na media me fa so aka achom media me ni ba kwa ehesa ye fani sa account na echi. But asema America achọ mo ne say ye hu page kese abetwemu e wo social media no so. Ye hu page akese abetwemu e wo social media no so. DH page ene de keka ho ina omo ina false news ene omo post to e wo omo page no so. Omo ti asema omo nkohwehwehwehwe mu ansana omo aposti. Yehu page akese abetwemu eden na emo ina omo hwe ase sa fake news now omo koso e post e wo nkrofo ho no eno na omo ina emo omo be hwe ase nti so omo se omo te bibi omo nya investigations wo ho na enu ane se nti omo atam because of YouTube sika omo page edinti no because of sika pia omo page e wo Facebook ni YouTube nti no omo tam information bia na omo de akoto ho omo nya investigations enhwehwehwehwe mu sa asem na ne pe yiken no kra be na ewo mu ansa na omo so mo akọ-publish omo tam ya na omo akọ-publish me pamacho muncho mu ina mbo omo mpe no kra. They are all evil people. Omo ye evilly. Yankita big page. Nanso yen ye kanokre baby anokre ne hye no ye bekwa kwotwe e de abre good listeners, wise people, viewers are omo adwin do a omo pese omo te nokre enye se omo te asem wa ha na omo agye edi yen ye wo viewers are omo te asem a they do investigations omo ye nhwehwemu ansana omo afa e fe ne se nokre wa asem ni nemu nti enuanom ne adofo no minim se ni jimie ngege ene ni jimie obesa ha bebiom se asem na ye ka no eye ntro efise ono no illiteracy no ekunu Illiteracy is killing Mami Ngege. Illiteracy is killing her. Into obeko so ayem krasi niema na but yeda nyame ase mama party say baby ajo say to boy ntokwa asofofo anyankopon so omo be ye nyame adwuma omo be preach nkwaje enkyere ye friend say ye mu bi na ye nsakra ya adwen no omo betena se ebedidi atema akese ene say ni na to atwa say omo nko ye nyame adwuma na ye frɛ omo so omo be ye no bra penny me wa life me de pass wa frɛ na ma dent na open sikasa Bia from Monday to Sunday anopa area anajo ahomatin na wo adwuma mu
na bije wonanka sebe otoba bia o dwuno ho a kwase bia kodi ne kwase asema ye kopene kunu a wakotwitwaje no na lita wabedane ho abetwa wabedane ho atwa ntorato so wokoto na koto aboka ka nyero wonye dwuma
endie
obayo ho ayedwuma se de be ya sebe omo hyehyɛ ebone no mpeso me de pa ma ebia ya chiwutum no ya chiwuntum ntu wo bi ase a ye se wo hormo no ya hayi manokore eni wani mu kan bra ni de nyina cause and true a wo betwa to nua bi so ama wo nua bi agye ni mkwase wo se de bi am say never inherit your friends
enemy
and all the time mind your own business so why mind your own business now give heavy blower ebi abakwa akode na nam court wo betuma nya obi atwantoro gina wachi am wedding kunim beti dream that yasem what you say ene ya etiwe se maame ngege 25 million krono na edane so I was saying na ede ne ka 25 million ohia na de okay wo kan ya na maame diska ne bre wo de ba wa mro 25 wo an wo bre 40 million about what you say
meti ase
what 40 million ma ho bi ro anka yo bi a wo ye champion wani ebie bro so a na ga je say sika na 25 million wa ma na bro so nti je wo balance ne mempe na ka won tokwa na so be ko ma me ne be kono ta ko akwa je na kwa den we pa ne so adwuma we die pa ne so adwuma na wo ye no wa san bu ma me no wa fro do ma me no because so ko do ka 25 enti fa ne sa ma me ne kwa di we fi ne ho na so wo this 25 ne bro ni abro so a na so wa chew bi o enti wa mo wa ti ase se wo ne da so no fa o di a chew na se wo je do de chew wo no a bi je wo ye ne boni aka ya defa and mama ngege wiye mama ngege wiye timi si wiya se ye wono e mo wutrim nkasa mo ntu nua so se unia benya problem enko ka unia bi ntokwa na wa ntimi ntokwa na unia no ma heavy punch ya enko na mo coach enko pe pam enipa na tanfo so media dance ye ma wo be je ni guase ye la sawa ene Peter Paradise na mo hono mo no that was sorry a wo dwen o timi se my mistake kama kado ba be jimi o na san kama kado a mamu da tab na nka me Peter Paradise kadi be na nkibisi anka boys nko mbe di boni an komo nya mebe to da no sori a oto ana ne machine ene ma me ngege da no sori a wanu no yi sika da bia na kama me di ma me nkakra kama ji o this time di ma lu supoto
enu usuno
nti afi bisa masem
na bra penny asema be say bisa o say sa krasi ni ba we kra o ko fa no we hia oni ni di agro kakre
say kwasi aba we di say
abobo ya
no say that no onye madam fo ma me gege no onye me nyonko na agudi amba be di no landing mo ba no de ne bae di okon na ese me de na ade ma no oko na ese me de na ade de ema no bet say term no no oye camouflage ma me hu say girl you ejani bebra say ni suban nya mama ngege bije me se wi aso hu sa ba ga na onam no oye kesi o e kan okra kire o kese onye ni pe bi mo ni wi aso ba e o pan ode na za da afa so onye ni pe bi na ni pe bi aso abedi na chi dia ba je no mai ba je ni guase e na da ho no asofo edi na chi akoda fi ase abro asɔfo di maame ngege n'akyi akɔ defi ase aba and when we are dealing with such a person you have to be very careful.
Yeah
you have to be very careful. Na oyo bi o eba dwemba obi da ne fie or dwene na o say police for abeche na agrada na sabe o mo ani age say aba abeche obi na wonu da chance ese wo wi ase ne asam to na so dwene wonu mo chena nipa na o nani age wo ho no wonu ne ebecho so mo na hye ki mi ebeche na agrada those days some months ago e ko wi e chire ne ko si die and your mother says, upon one, you must according to the mother. And no master more called
yeah, no crap.
We are here. That make I any pantias you. We are here. Mind your own business. Never inherit your friend's enemy. And then, mammy, I got our door.
What
evangelist?
Me, now, him said, me put on the conya name. Me put on the conya name. No, if it's not cost, never my phone soon. And I'm saying because friend or actually I'm a good morning. Sana wada kra.
Na wodi ba dia ba ko ha me kakra.
Baby.
Bloggers na ebie jimi dodo. Sa o man channel boy na o kasa asemu no. Wa jimi too much. Okwa no aba ha. Okwa o ha no aba friend na gara na Matias mi na we dia wona me dwen ho wona onyanyanyanyanya. Ana ohun se emse brochire o chere onya dwuma ozo okasa asemu.
Yeah.
Ana ne channel no jimi niema nkoa na ode ye no obo ni tirim ana manka do anya accident ana manka do koko mankwase niema ni jimi nkoa na me sa boy no magana fo remfie o me se me ye ni bi me ye ni bi magana fo remfie me ye ni bi
yeah
ode abana na agrada so na no ni timo omre bebre dodo sa ba mu ana se na block no sa o man channel boy no we jimi wonya ni pa o now be dey kwasi abo ejimi sa we say no to Germany no jimi na da bia o church face stories go amanfo ani mu ase na mo so mo he no nipa obi wo mechanic to kwa media o mechanic to kwa de ene anything goes na we obi tin da bi wo dwene ne ho onye ne hwe no aboni tim wa chon kwasi ase no de
na mo so akwafa
say ejimi fu bi say na ese na nga da ejimi tu o mo so sa no ma mra yo mo ho ko boy no wo jimi dodo and you know no man igbe who he kokoko ntoko the channels such a useless channel na man for entertaining kwasi say o man channel boy say wonye jimifo a bra wo te say mama ngege jimifo ba na say oni ngege nyino mu jimi pe enye ngege jimifo ya na obo ni tim kan asem a obefa ya okoye say amanka de ogu anya asene jimifo sa jimifo mi no na okwasi aba we say aba be kan asem a also man so na de akwakoto page because we jimi you don't investigate.
So best of the same feathers, they flock together. With his
mind, or write with his stomach. That boy doesn't write with his mind. He writes with his stomach. Sika akro benya ni YouTube nti. Okotron fake story afo bi hu agu ne hu fi. Na o Ghana na maame no e ma mredi wu a. O ma mredi ni echu kutina ko so wagu ne hu fi.
Yeah.
Clear obe da clear. I don't know man channel but I don't know what Jimmy say. Your friend say.
Me ono no o share e friend say Safwa media na ase anase de.
Ono na say Safwa media.
Me nim kra.
That means Safwa media na am say a different person. Ono Safwa media no me say dem when anything bad be away ono fafa pe amanfo video.
So ono no fa ngege video no ko to ni page so ene.
Dabi o man channel ga na so blogging.
Oh, okay.
Ono so a blog. Ono so edi chimi.
Me hu ye.
Omo work ba ko na oti abena so. Ono so a blog. Ono so di, ono so e chimi because we chimi somewhere near we chimi o. Na wo bi o.
Oh, brapini line. Let me mean check. Hello? Oh, brapini line. I drop. Brapini. Into me pamocho. Mote. Brapping. Now line a drop.
What must you? Yeah. It yes, a moon is say. Nana Grada, Mokoso perform your nation. BJ, a poboni be no mobile.
Yeah.
A poboni be was a medical say, or more pep means be on Bayama and competition at Mamma.
And I said, I'm going to be about Bontia Becassa, but on back.
BJ, and your son, my answer, share one you will say in answer, and your ordinary people near you, a so for. I don't remember who said Ghana, we are not safe. As a Christian nation, we are not safe. Or conforce was Sakra Fayame. As you know, anymore, I say one Sakra Bia, one Sakra Bia, Fini, 2 year Quakuno, on 1 fear we are pity. I'm not yet more Ghana. I'm more credit to some Rangeduma. The word to bet you could to an answer more can and say, Ghana, you kuma and Kobe. You kum Ghana and Kobe Pia. I debate in a quality means I could is a debate. As a crown Toby. As a crown Toby. But he has the gas. So bet to make a same question as Ghana because honest of fools be panel. So fools be pencil say, and Congrada better sounds, better sounds, better sounds. I say, I got that here. Who be a miss?
It's just so be cool.
Oh, maybe I mean, me person call. Ghana from penny for no more chance him. One chance when any pay away.
You.
Any pay away. So you're more PM son. Oh, Ghana. I am so full. Why send Castle for crying and Kawi be out of answer was more than will be good in Massa. And a split guys and get a coolie panel.
They be.
Now, software, a will be away and make him about yeah. Who is my main get to be entertained by a pastor?
Yes.
A useless non-entity. Useless non-entity like my main gig. But I never said, I only vision.
Only aim, crampo, only be.
Oh, God. BJ, it was how say, and throw your baby kaya or the tone from me. And throw baby or the tone from me. Busa say. And now my phone is an anchor have a Facebook live. Wabakasa will show so. And any part within a chidiba doing about it.
Yeah. As I mean, no one if so, Chomon Trode be.
Oh, say, Mamma, now you say, with Jimmy. And was seeing answer.
Yeah.
Now, oh, corporate or landing. Was my father gas, my academy. And the Oko Ghana, they are 37 military company. Who hears with your phone? Oko Ghana, they are 37 military company. So, you have obey human. Oko Ghana. Now, you never tell me security, you must type 24/7. I'm ready, which meaning was the only way I bet you a police force, military, police force will produce, and so we can drop. I told you so. There's a physical give and take, much was a mess. And I was so only say, woman, now we're in we're a coward. We are coward.
Yes.
But yet, the number one way, maybe some in you will be abonné. Some may cook in slow.
Yes.
Would it pack one who did some my own episode be difficult?
Bra.
Now, Banso make sure so be quality. Yes. Oh, boom, to a temenam.
Yeah.
Oh, we are what could come a bush of 4 years.
Yes.
What is it? It's high time, say, your many publishing answer. Yes.
Me na mo ya me ni obi eni ase me ko Ghana me see me slow say me ko Ghana for what reason?
BJ now abroche kwa do ko peche ko for body guard what landing was a message girl on we chinia ma me ngege se di wosi chinia me na na ntepem chinia ma ba ya make na se move me na na ntida chinia ma ba BJ bra wo ne wo yes wo ne wo ku what do we say? Oh, guru no pa e guru kete o no kwa so oba be so whole life
Jimmy enu ye mo
oba so whole life so for my pep donko eba what we say o chichi gigi you ba be so whole life no pian and am force we mama say that we Jimmy papa e men kon kwasi an topa o ngege wunni me for a long time a man from customer you are man touch it me no tie masem I just will be so camera no so me you must say me you my dan kwasi antokwa ko won say me dan o timi o
Sure. And then Mama Pat be here praises here. Was I call so life biom? I see a old video that friend say yada po dia koto life and ebo life na nya friend say only life bia. Me say ababa you me ampa. Amai kai ya won twatro.
It's only life bia dia. So only life be adia. And they be me na me ne kasa ne wo so a wo frɛ ne kasa.
Yes.
That's anka no petitu no na sorry na. Wo so da nyane anu ani mamu mu. For my life.
Oh, for my life.
Short. Mo he ne na gra da di mo.
Jimmy no mo.
Ma no on sorry ntem. O so ebu obeti na ni bia be 12, 11.
Yeah.
What I say? Yeah,
na me crampo na me nyo obi ampon me dana me nko baby a me da sa me sorry 12 me nko baby a me ni appointment bia omo ni me beka me da sa ye ball 11 12 a me so me phone
me dey kan okra kire wo okwanya no mpeso me de ma me ne faso enye no ni yehu
yeah
they can't crash it out. No omo pe ma me ni wu.
Yeah.
No mo pe ni wu. And yet say any we see na no mo pe. Now why would they threaten her with guns?
Yeah. Yeah.
I bet you don't bet my threaten my man with guns.
Good question.
Say you wu na no mo pe no. It is say omo ko fi on mo say ma me na nya bo tre. Ano no so wo tu no so twen ya. Ka kenke ni pe be wu ho.
Yes. Yes.
Esen keni pe wi enso nka Ghana fo agimi fo be kasa agrada anye awanya de kombe gina usu be peji kombe gina so be gina so fo usu be peji e won so okipu o de we se okipu ne kam mpukura anu a ma o hu se mra ho onye dede do o so fo usu be pa na atwa na oni fi no okipu ne kam won wa agimi fo Ghana fo ni bi no o sto comment mo omo meki na se be Ghana nyansa fo ye mo Ghana nka any pa na create by ma mengi bi
oh
be what they say by man for some kind of entertainment
yeah
and some kind of Jimmy no o me release stress go we Jimmy no
yeah
that's what I say
yeah
na ga da wada o chiri o ma mengi wo ne ma mengi wa trop ma mengi wa so pon ba no aso o pon fo wa pon kade giga e because when I open, no catch us about when you after 10 you should have any real branding. As young again, and I'm quite here, or two were full of 2 years. Would you be a shapeless? Or full of 2 years, but time to see any bassy, I know about
I thought they better now, Shannon. I thought they better now, Shannon.
What's it?
Miss I thought they better now, Shannon. Kwa for rope na said
say atade a na hye no hu say ase fu atade hu say oba bi ewu atofuwo no unu atofuwo
minimpa
okay obi a onyare nyehwe oni hu nyane hwe na when you accident all of a sudden no atete atofuwo no say fu ni emfa ne mafie e ma tade bi e waso ale di wura no e ko si na tare ngigi na ye abije sebe o geli ni a e de be plan be ma na hwan ye wakono ne kasa be putu off ne ye be putu off bibi ya be putu off ana manfo we na no mo call yi Ghana Music Award nkofo bi a minimum mu hia ma mengi o ze amanka do engege na mu hune sa no hune physical or a different person altogether the how was it what is sabrewa is it ku ya we ni achi agrada so swada wapa life was answer camera say old video then say na what can dey old and 700 I come with a
old.
Was a common sense. Common sense.
I really
need Jimmy Fu say me two of us went up for say, Chong Fin on your papa. Papa so on to my shit. Papa was a payment, because my men gave a catch ideas, man say, so fools who pass on fairly can channel. What is the fools when Buddha and Guso? One figure, one
if you saw him say, no crack.
Buddha and Guso. Yeah. And get question, woman, and you bring a so. I'm an idea, man, so ignore this. And I summon it died. Because again, when you sing again, I record. Yeah. Say no crack, when you sing again, better control. Na ebi so I know that we na ebi so na adwuma o me de share inside that day say o me kuna na gra da mu ase na eno no ho hia ne sen ideas mind ye no ko so we ni ngege be ya tu say itua ne ka so kuna na gra da mu ase ama pass se no apa ngege me se ngege ma me ngege social media de wani nyi wo ho bi o o ni ni bi e ma ngege o be lusu and copy kit to copy and to copy a copy ngege woni bronsam nyan to copy am de ho ba beji I did not want so much.
And you won't quite mind.
What the Bronsam Quanian to cover the marriage? Maybe I shall know one penny pass at the city or pen to quite too much. If you are so what, will be my count of what? Oh, that is my policy. One come here, begin name it come. One come here, one come here, come in, I mean, come be. Well, I'm over coming as well, man. You just say, over share. Why got a jack with the African market? Many more say from open, small blue, everyone. And Crofono Montanto and Cobao. I don't care. Yeah. Sure, BJ, Mammy get one. Mammy get it. So, man, you're careful on who social media. I made a manager say, when you nip a beer, I said, will be a rejected. No one mentioned. One, I said, men can say for cry. I said, oh, you musu adie.
On your happy.
Yeah, oh, you musu adie. Oh, you are getting. The Moko, oh, UK Ghana Music Award. I pay our organization. I said, what do you mean, oh, yeah? Mamma get over Katians on my present award. Watch. And the Papa Ben when social media, said, we problem be our connoisseur. Now, a Lordia. I love the respect of I know we are who fees. When you petit to be a present, only Pacona. What did man get the award of the man, or the Musu, or the Namia Casanipa? Yes. I know Alodia. Show now we are not Ghana Music Award. You better remember say, or my present award. Oh, Ghana. Oh, Freddy Pebia. For what the factor standard, the analysis. For the standard, allow the if you really know what you are doing, there is no way you call Mami Gigi to come and present an award to a person. Allow the way a very cool guy, very humble person. Why do you have to invite such a stupid and non-entity, a rejected person in Ghanaian community? About Jimmy, dear man, for them, one man, Obi Mahamedi, and Obi Mahamedi, allow the way of our Obi give him a present award. Allow you must apologize to Ghanaians. To be honest, yeah. But yeah, I didn't know any yes, and we're belated to that standard. Come on, what do you? We invite a blogger here, which I say, the near my way, a dear Ben fast one a day break Ghanaian community. Oh, a lot of the original William Bannon and I got that. Because my name give me a present award. That was our music award now.
Yes. Good question.
Alodia. It seems I'm telling you the gospel fact. And I'm not a person of this idea many United States when you mean, but who can you man more can be 98% now? Yeah. Got the two Nick and one guy. Who is my name to get to come and present an award? Yeah. Good question. You will be, I said, you will put it home. Next time we invite bloggers here, because I say, on my name, on Jimmy Yeman on the social media. How is it affecting the Ghanaian community, positive and negative? Yeah. Really positive side, and say percentage say the Ghanaian community.